You know, you really made this height thing work out. Anytime you see a lot of people talking about like short guys, right? They say like women, at least they say like if I could, because you know how the whole stigma behind women not liking like short guys, but like if they had to, you know, it would have to be someone like you. You know what I'm saying? Like when you were younger, because I watched some interviews and I saw you talk about fighting a lot. Would you say that had to do with being probably like the smaller one out of the bunch?
Not really, but I don't like first. Yeah, probably because first of all I'm light skinned, and then I'm short. So, and then it was like I always had that mentality like I'm gonna protect anybody that's around me. I feel as though that's my job.